I'm the sort of guy that, I want to have the hard evidence that kind of proves or disproves a person's statement. And in this particular situation, it was immediately evident to me that I was going to need the footage because he got out and he told the police officer that arrived on the scene that I had slammed on my brakes after I had been sitting there at the stoplight for something like 2 minutes. As soon as I got back to my house, I took the video file and I sent it to my insurance company, and they immediately waived deductibles. They said that this guy is 100% at fault. So several years ago, my wife was in a similar situation where she was involved in an accident. And at the time, we didn't have dash cams. And that was kind of the precursor to me wanting to get one, because it was really just his word against her word. And, I had a list of requirements. I needed, certain frames per second. I needed it to always be recording, facing frontwards and backwards, and ease of use. Nextbase checked all the boxes. It had everything I needed and it worked great.